Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In my last video, I showed you the swatches of the 3 brand new gel polishes from Macaron's Fall and Winter 2020 collection called the Soho collection. In today's video, I'm going to be using one of those gel polishes, Rose Brandy, as well as the matte top coat to create a really easy 3D fall sweater nail art design. I'll start by applying 2 coats of Rose Brandy, which is a terracotta red gel polish, to my nails, and I'm going to cure it in my LED lamp from the Licorice Gel Manicure Kit for 30 seconds after each coat. I also recently filmed a full video on the Licorice Gel Manicure Kit, so if you want to see that, you can click the card that's in the corner of your screen or down below in the description box. Next, I applied 1 coat of the matte top coat, and in the end, I did end up throwing on 1 final coat of the matte top coat, so this step is completely optional, but it did help me visualize where I was painting the details in the next step. Once I cured the matte top coat, then I took a detail brush dipped in Rose Brandy, and I painted 2 vertical lines down my nail to section off the nail into 3 vertical columns. Then in the center, I painted some sideways S shapes all the way down my nail. And then on the right and left sides of my nail, I painted some short diagonal lines. Then I cured it in my LED lamp for 30 seconds, and I painted over those details one more time to give it a 3D effect. You could probably do this glossy and matte version with regular nail polish, but the key to getting the 3D effect is by using multiple layers of gel polish. I've seen some people do this similar design using acrylic powder on top, but I don't have that stuff, and I really liked how I could achieve a very similar look with just a few gel polishes. Here is the matte and glossy version of the design, which is what I initially had in mind, but I decided I wanted to see what this design would look like with 1 final coat of a matte top coat. So here I'm just applying 1 more coat of the matte top coat, making sure to get in between all the little ridges of the design, and then I'm going to cure it for 1 final time in my LED lamp for 30 seconds. I'm glad I tried it with the matte top coat because I personally prefer the completely matte design, so here is the finished 3D fall sweater nail art design. So that's all for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you're new to my channel, I do swatches, reviews, and nail art tutorials, so be sure to subscribe down below and give this video a thumbs up. And if you want to see the full swatch video of the Macaron Soho collection, you can click your screen or the link down below. But anyways, that's all for today, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!